Nordson EFD, the world leader in precision fluid packaging systems, now brings its expertise and advanced designs to the world of animal health. Introducing Nordson EFD's industry-leading drug packaging and delivery solutions for large to small animals, including cattle, dairy cows, horses, dogs, and cats. Taking care of animals requires precise engineering and accuracy to ensure the proper dose of medicine, probiotics, nutritional supplements, and more are administered in a reliable, repeatable way. It also requires ease of use, especially when dosing large animals. Nordson EFD disposable dosing syringes are designed to administer accurate, repeatable amounts of pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products. They include innovative, self-venting features molded into the syringe to prevent air entrapment. In addition, EFD offers a wide range of customization options, including custom colors, material, design, and labeling. Nordson EFD dosing syringes are manufactured using FDA-approved resins, colorants, and additives, and built to meet our rigorous standards for quality and consistency. Our animal health line includes the intuitive Dial-A-Dose and Posi-Dose syringes that have become an industry standard for convenient, accurate dosing. By turning the integrated Dial-A-Dose ring, the user can adjust the dosing amount based on animal weight, treatment schedule, or other requirements to administer multiple doses of material accurately and reliably. Nordson EFD will even customize calibrations and stamping marks to meet specific application requirements. The unique Posi-Dose plungers feature an advanced twist lock ring that snaps into position when setting a specific dose. EFD's wide range of nozzle options provides optimized solutions for nearly any animal health application. Our packaging solutions for equine applications include oral wormers, topical ointments, gastric products, NSAIDs, vitamins, and other supplements. Bovine applications include newborn milk replacers, probiotics, supplements, homeopathic products, and intramammary treatments for mastitis. Intramammary syringes are available with short or long insertion nozzles. A convertible cap allows both lengths from the same syringe to address either full or partial insertion based on dosing instructions. Our packaging solutions for companion animal applications include oral sedatives, hairball treatment, nutraceutical supplements, topical flea and tick treatments, and drops for ear infections. Improve your animal health drug packaging and delivery solutions with accurate, reliable dosing syringes from Nordson EFD, the world leader in precision fluid packaging systems backed by a dedicated, responsive, global customer support team.